bird. Hi, bird. Wanna come here? Hi, guy. Hello. Oh, careful, don't slip. Oh, this feels weird this time. 2 at a time, maybe. Hi. You guys, oh my God. They're everywhere now. Hi. Hi. Hi, birds. Hi, birds. Well, I was getting a little sad that nobody wanted to hang out with me today, and now this is happening. Hi. Hello. Oh, you are very attractive. Don't mind me. Hi. Well, this turned out to be a really good day. Hi. Oh, are you coming back in? Ah! Ow, your feet kind of hurt. Step back. Step back a little. Step back a little. Ow, you're not on my head right. Fix yourself. That's better. Ah! Well, this is a good day. Yeah? Are you upset that I don't have any food for you? Oh! I take that as a yes. Hi. Hello. You guys, I can't even tell you how wonderful that is. It's a really wonderful feeling to be friends with the birds. It was like 4 of them at one time, all found me. I thought they were ignoring me. I think they were just watching from the distance. Oh, did you find some food? You gonna tell your friends? Hi, Bobby. Hi. Oh, you're so pretty. Yeah? That was a quick visit. Come here. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Thank you. That's nice. Alright, come here. Come here. I'm getting better at it. I feel like it's all about the vibe that you put out, right? Come here. I like the way they jump. Just hopping along. All right, I'm gonna let you do your thing. I'm gonna go home now. It's getting dark, but that was fun.